Good morning. Today is Sunday, May 12. I'm at my home on Sunday, beautiful Sunday morning. And there's a surprise in my garden today. I discovered that there's a bird nest, a hummingbird nest on my garden. She lay a bird nest on my persimmon tree. It was so cute. I love it. It's so cute. She's very calm, even though we're moving around a lot, make a lot of noises. Check this out, the hummingbird in my garden in the city of Oceanside. She's been very calm, and look like she's happy. But she's so cute. We had one last year under our Michelle Alba flower tree, but now she's on the persimmon tree, with a bigger, safer place to have a family here. So cute. Okay, what special day for us. We'll be excited to see how she's gonna have her young grown and live as a part of our family.